55 plus. One small night habit could repair your body while you sleep, not add fat. Science proves it. Eating at night does not make you fat. Eating the wrong food at night does. And science proves it. Imagine this. It is late at night. You feel hungry. You remember hearing that eating at night causes fat gain. So you go to bed hungry. But what if science says the opposite? What if the right food at night does not add fat, but instead helps your body repair itself and even supports a longer life? Today you will learn what science actually says about eating at night, and which foods help instead of harm. For many years people believed that eating at night is always bad. This belief is incomplete. The real problem is not eating at night. The real problem is eating the wrong foods at night. Human metabolism does not stop when we sleep. During sleep, the body repairs tissues, balances hormones, strengthens the immune system, clears waste from the brain. These processes require nutrients. When the body lacks the right nutrients at night, it pulls them from muscles and organs. That accelerates aging. Scientific studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that protein-rich, low-sugar foods eaten at night do not increase body fat. In many cases, they improve muscle recovery and metabolic health. Let us start with yogurt. Plain natural yogurt is one of the most studied night foods. It contains protein, calcium, and probiotics. These nutrients support digestion, muscle repair, and hormone balance. Recommended amount is 150 to 200 grams. That is about one small bowl. Best time is 1 to 2 hours before sleep. Frequency matters. Eating yogurt every single night is not ideal for everyone. For most adults, 3 to 5 times per week is optimal. Daily yogurt is acceptable only if digestion is strong, and there is no bloating or lactose sensitivity. Choose unsweetened plain yogurt. No sugar, no fruit syrup, no artificial flavors. Why yogurt works at night? Calcium helps regulate fat metabolism. Studies show higher calcium intake is linked to reduced fat storage. Protein reduces nighttime hunger hormones and prevents muscle breakdown. Now let us add another scientifically supported option. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein. Casein digests slowly. This provides a steady release of amino acids during sleep. Recommended amount is 100 to 150 grams. Frequency can be 3 to 4 times per week. This is especially beneficial for people over 40 because muscle loss accelerates with age. Next option. Nuts. Especially walnuts or almonds. Nuts contain healthy fats, magnesium, and omega fatty acids. These support heart health and reduce inflammation. Portion size is critical. Only 10 to 15 grams. That is a small handful. Frequency should be 2 to 3 times per week. Too many nuts at night can slow digestion and add excess calories. Another option supported by science is warm milk. Milk contains tryptophan. Tryptophan supports melatonin production. Melatonin regulates sleep and slows aging processes. Recommended amount is 150 to 200 milliliters. Frequency is up to 3 times per week. Milk is not recommended for people with lactose intolerance or chronic bloating. Now let us talk about foods that must be avoided at night. Sugar is the main enemy. Sweet desserts, cookies, chocolate, and sweet drinks raise blood glucose. High blood glucose at night triggers insulin spikes. Insulin signals the body to store fat. White bread and refined carbohydrates are also harmful at night. Processed meats and fried foods increase inflammation and disrupt sleep quality. Now, important question. When should you not eat yogurt or any food at night? If you have severe acid reflux, eating close to bedtime can worsen symptoms. If you have lactose intolerance, yogurt or milk may cause bloating, gas, and poor sleep. If you are eating late due to emotional stress, not hunger, this can create unhealthy habits. If dinner was large and protein-rich, additional night food is unnecessary. Signs that night eating is helping you: better sleep, less nighttime hunger, stable weight, more energy in the morning. Signs that night eating is harming you: bloating, poor sleep, morning fatigue, weight gain. Age matters. After age 40, protein intake at night becomes more important. European gerontology studies show that older adults who consume small amounts of protein at night maintain muscle mass better and experience slower physical decline. The key rule is simple: small portions, low sugar, high protein, limited frequency. Night eating is not a mistake. Wrong night eating is. If used correctly, food at night becomes a tool for repair, not fat storage. Your body does not fear food. It fears imbalance. Make smart choices and your body will respond with better sleep, stronger health, and slower aging.